Hello everybody, this is Katerina, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist, and today we're gonna talk about Lancome gift with purchase. Yes, it's a fall gift from Lancome, and look at this beautiful gold bag. Which one this time Lancome bring to us? It's so pretty. I love this big size. It's have, of course, Lancome details here. It says Lancome. Such a beautiful bag, but I think you wanna know what's inside, right? And remember, it's a gift with purchase, and I believe you need to spend $42.50, and value of this gift is $127, and of course we're gonna have step up too. But you can see I don't have my whole entire makeup done today, and some of these free beauty presents I'm gonna try it for you. Okay, yes, it's a beautiful bag, and now let's see what we have inside. Inside we have amazing little contour piece. This is how I will name, and it's Nectar Lace. It's 126 number. What we have here, we have little highlighter, we have little bit bronze here, blush here, and we have a bronze here. Beautiful, very beautiful colors, and I actually love to use sometimes this for my eyes. It's beautiful, can be your eyeshadow palette, and let me show you how I will use this. We have 3 colors here. Let's use first lighter color, which one it's right here in the corner, and I'm gonna put little bit, very little bit on top right here. It's gonna give me nice, beautiful glow. And because I have today like pretty intense my lips, I actually like it. My makeup looks very soft today. And now let's use this darker color. Which one we're gonna use? My contour from my ear to my lips halfway. Then we're gonna use this close to my hairline. I actually love this palette. It's really good quality, and again, it's reversible. You can use this for the face, you can use this for the eyes. And time for use a blush. Which one? On center. It's so pretty. I'm gonna smile a little bit, and ooh, wow, so pretty. What do you think, girls? It looks spectacular on me. I love this. It's my blush. Yes, and you know what? Let's use this beautiful like orangey peachy color for my eyes. I have a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on top right here. Ooh, it's pop my eyes. Beautiful, so pretty. I really like this actual look, like makeup, not makeup. But we have also in this gift mascara. This is Définicils mascara. A lot of people, they do not know Définicils mascara. It's mascara for sensitive skin, for sensitive eyes to extremely sensitive eyes. And I wait for this little mascara for a long time, because I actually really like, I'm enjoying to use as sample. For some reason I actually like probably sample more than regular size mascara. And it's not just me. I knew million women love this mascara, and they love to use this sample. And I don't have any mascara on me, and you will see how big difference, how good this mascara. I'm coming close to you because I want you to see good separation. It's even curl my lashes. I love this. Look at this with mascara, and another eyes without. big difference, but I love how separate my lashes, and it's so easy to use this mascara for a bottom. Oh girls, this is my favorite mascara for the bottom. Today I have like makeup, no makeup, and I like it. I look young, but again, we have with you this beautiful bronze highlighter and blush. We have Définicils mascara for sensitive eyes, and now I'm gonna talk about skincare. Which one we have? Okay, what do we have in this gift? We have a Génifique. I love this serum. It's giving me such a good hydration. Like, you should use this morning and night. Great hydrating serum. It has more than 100 rewards, and it's like one of the top selling serum in a world, in a planet. Then we're gonna have a sample of moisturizer, absolutely my favorite, Absolute Soft Cream Moisturizer, 24-hour hydration, full lines, full wrinkles, have a luxury texture, and I just in love with this cream. This is moisturizer. It's visibly reduced lines and wrinkles, and it's have very luxury texture. Okay, we have moisturizer here. Then we also have absolutely amazing lip balm, and I love this lip balm. Keep my lips really hydrated. I usually use this product before go to bed, because sometimes my lips can, when I wake up, sometimes they look dry or feels dry, and this is my SOS product, and it's a pretty good size. Here it's 5 milligram or 0.6 ounce. Love this lip product. Then the end of this gift, they still give us amazing pretty big size of eye creams. This is also one of my favorite eye cream. It's a hydrating, wrinkle reduction, cross-fit eye cream, and it's a brightening eye cream. And let me show you how it looks. What a beautiful packaging. Such a luxurious product. Oops. Also, these gifts have one of my favorite eye cream, Absolute eye cream. Absolutely my favorite. Look at this beautiful jar. It's a pretty big size. It has 5 ml or 1.6 ounce, and I'm serious, look how cute is this, right? And I love texture. It's not too creamy, but it's also not light. This is eye cream. Smells so good. It have a rose extract. Also, this amazing eye cream will hydrate your eye area. It's for lines, for wrinkles, for puffiness, for dark circles. What else do we need after 40? We need Absolute eye cream, absolutely. And full size, it costs $135, but you know what? Full size, it's 15 milligram. Here it's 5. It's a big amount here. And again, I just let me read to you. Brightening, hydrating, dark circles, crowfits, fine lines, puffiness, made with rose extract, will give you immediately radiance under your eye area. Love this eye cream, and of course dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and allergy tested. I'm allergic to so many different ingredients. I use this eye cream and I really like it. And again, it's a purchase with purchase. If you need a good eye cream, you can buy full-size Absolute eye cream and you will receive this beautiful gift with purchase. You can't go wrong. Also, we're gonna have step up. I'm showing you right now step up which one we're gonna have. Remember, we're gonna have a gift with purchase and we're gonna have two different gifts, regular gift, and will be again your step up. Here we have a cleanser, and it's a oil and gel cleanser. I really like this cleanser. It's removing my eye makeup really good, quick and very gentle. Then we have here Tonic Comfort. It's a toner, and this is toner combination to dry skin. I'll say dry skin. And this is, baby, it's my favorite. Fix it, forget. It's a setting mist, and it's perfect for your travel. And believe me not, never throw away this bottle because you can refill with your big bottle. I love to use this setting mist because it's fragrance free, and you can use this not just for like we'll say set your foundation or powder. It's perfect to use for your eyeshadow if you want your eyeshadow more intense. Again, will be step up at Nordstrom, and of course it's a makeup bag. Again, with $42.50 you will receive this gift, and for step up you usually need to spend a little bit more. I'm not sure exactly how much, but I will let you know day. And of course you can check it out my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I posted almost every day, daily, some like about my video, about gift with purchase at Nordstrom. Remember, I work for Nordstrom. Love you all. Again, it's a Lancome gift with fall, a gift with purchase 2022. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.